Hello everyone and welcome to Malocks. If you are looking for adorable and a truly beautiful ways to style your little one's natural hair, then this video right here is for you. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of cute natural braid hairstyles for black kids. These hairstyles are perfect for keeping their hair protected and neat. What makes natural braids such a fantastic choice for our children is that they help keep delicate strands tucked away, minimizing daily manipulation and helping immensely with length retention and reduced breakage. This means healthier, thriving hair for your little one. Plus, they are very easy to maintain once they are in, giving you more time for play and less time wrestling with tangles. You can go for simple straight back cornrows for everyday neatness and ease. Or you can try box braids or twists that offer incredible versatility and they are long lasting. You can also go for beautiful braided updos that are perfect for special occasions, or half up half down styles that gives a playful bounce. And for that extra touch of personality, you can add some colorful beads, ribbons, or cute hair ties that instantly light up any style and make your little one adorable and stunning. So if you're ready to make your little one hair routine easier, healthier, and undeniably cute this year, natural braid hairstyles are definitely a must-try. They are easy to maintain, comfortable, and perfect for celebrating the beauty of their natural hair. So which cute natural braid hairstyle was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these hairstyle ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing natural hair inspirations, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop new content. See you next time.